We've had our Tesla for 5 months, and in that time I've kind of become addicted to the dash cam that's on it. But what if we wanted to put a dash cam into our Fiat or our Bolt? Thanks to the folks at Pelsi, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Pelsi P1 Duo dash cam. This Pelsi dash cam is available on Amazon. I'll have the link down in the description. And it is 2 cameras, front-facing and rear-facing. The front-facing camera can mount up by your rear view mirror. There are a couple of things in installation that we're not really going to go into. We're just going to do a temporary install today, but you're able to tuck the cables in out of the way and it gets power off of the car's 12-volt supply. So let's go see what's in the box. I've already taken the plastic off, so I'm just going to go ahead and slide out the box from here. Get that off to the side. And we open the box, and inside we have this little plastic bag. So I'm going to show you what's in here first in the Ziploc bag. We have these static stickers right here. They give us 2. Of each size. There's large ones, those go with the front camera, and there's small ones, these go for the back camera. Now these are for installation. Once you've found where the camera needs to go, you attach this to the windshield or the rear window, and then you can stick the front and rear cameras to these static stickers. And it's nice that they give you spares in case you decide to move it or switch to different vehicles or whatever. In here we've also got your warranty card, a little card for support, a cleaning cloth, and the user's manual. We're going to go ahead and tuck all of this stuff off to the side. We're going to, this is going to be a little tricky. I'm just going to do it this way. We have 2 boxes inside. This first one here, this is the Duo dash cam. I'm going to open the box on each end, so I can push the styrofoam out. That makes it a little easier. And then here, in this packaging, this is the camera. I'm gonna get it out of here. This is the front camera. The lens is here. Put it this way so it'll actually have the brand name up. This is the lens, 3M tape, so this will stick to that static sticker. And on the back, you've got the power button and the lens, and we'll peel this off later. But this slides on and off, so if you slide it out, this little piece here is what will actually stick to the windshield, and then you can bring the camera down. Power port for it is right there. That's where you'll plug in the USB-C. Just to give you an idea of the size of the camera, I'm going to set my mouse right next to it, so that'll give you a little bit of scale. Let's take a look at the accessories box. So there's a couple of big things in here. First off, let's look at this bag. Open it up a little bit. This is going to be the power cable. So this end here is the USB-C. This is what will plug into the camera like so, right there. And so then you have this cable that you can tuck up into the headliner of your car once you get it installed. There is a splitter here that will allow you to attach the rear camera to it, and then this is how the camera gets power. It will plug into your car's 12-volt outlet, and on the back it does have a USB-A port, so if you were using that 12-volt outlet to charge anything off of a USB-A, you still can. It'll just plug in right there. The other bag that we have, get it open here, there we go. This is going to be the rear camera. So you have a lot more cabling, so it can go from this joint here. There's an easy way for it to line up. Yeah, there's a little tongue that you can do. And then that plugs it in, so now the rear camera is getting the same amount of power. The arrow tells you which way is up for when it gets mounted. Same thing, you'll put a static sticker on your rear window, peel off this little adhesive, and then it'll stick. Be sure to take the little protective film off of the lens, and you can pivot this to adjust your camera angle. Also, they give you some installation tools in this little Ziploc bag. Probably the most important one is this little trim tool. This will allow you to tuck all of this cabling up so it's out of sight and not having a big mess of cable laying around in your car. You get a small little Phillips screwdriver. Let's see, what do we have here? Yellow, oh yeah, so you've got some more adhesive. So if you do need to remove the camera, you've got some more adhesive. That'll be for the front camera. For the rear camera, that'll be the red. And then you've got these clips that you can stick onto the glass as well to help manage your cabling. And check this out, a 64 gigabyte micro SD card so that it is all ready to record on 3-minute loops. That is what is in the box. If you do want to get one of these Pelsi cameras for yourself, and you click on the link in the description, it will take you to Amazon, and they currently have a 30% off promotion going. Be sure you activate that. And there is also a coupon code that you check on that'll give you an additional 10% off, giving you a total discount of 40% off the purchase price, which right now brings this camera after tax to under $60. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a USB-C that I already have plugged into like normal power. I'm going to plug the camera in so I can go through some settings and some things on the Pelsi app. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and take these little stickers off so we can kind of see what's up. That's for the lens. And then on the back, this is going to be the display screen and the button that allows us to power the camera on. If I plug it in here, then I'll start to get some welcome messages. And the first thing it tells me to do is to insert a memory card. So I'm going to take out the SD card. The SD slot is back here. I think it goes this way with the connectors facing where you would be in the car. Press the power button or use the app to format the card. So I'm going to press the power button.
Factory reset completed.
And that did a factory reset. So let me try that again.
Formatting successful.
And now the SD card has been formatted. So I'm just going to set the camera down there. And now I'm going to go into the app, and I'm going to tap on the Pelsi Cam app and tap Add Camera. I'm going to say allow while using app. Yes, connect to the Wi-Fi network. I'm going to try Add Camera. Connecting. Install the camera and power it on. We're going to say next. Connect Wi-Fi. You're going to go to the phone's Wi-Fi, which is this one that says P1 Duo, and the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Join. Then we're joined. Back on the camera app. Let's try this again. Connecting. And boom. Just like that, I've got camera preview going. I'm going to go into camera settings. I've got sound recording because I do want to have sound with the camera. Voice control, so the camera can accept voice commands. Let's go with a 2-minute loop for the loop recording. That way, if I've got one I want to pull out, I don't have to go searching. Light source frequency video resolution is currently set at 4K, but I can take it to 1080p I can take it to 1080p, I can take it to 2.5K, or I can take it to 4K. I'm going to leave it at 4K for now. You can choose the date format. Collision detection sensitivity can be on off, low, medium, or high. Factory default is medium, we'll leave it there. Automatic screen time is off. Collision detection sensitivity for park. Let's put that on medium. Time lapse, frames per second off, and all these different settings that you can go into, etc. And it's telling me to do all of these operations on the mobile app. If I go back, then, and now I'm no longer in the settings, it is recording the loop again, and everything's good. So now that we've got it unboxed, we've got that SD card formatted and it's connected to my phone. We've got it in the car. Let's see what the footage from this dash cam looks like. So we join Rachel in the Fiat. We're going to go driving around the block and see what this footage looks like through the Pelsi P1 camera.
Here we go.
So we're going to drive around these houses and give you an idea of what the footage looks like through these Pelsi dash cams. So right now I'm showing you the front-facing camera, the 4K front-facing camera, and now I'll show you the 1080p rear-facing camera. And now I'll go back to the front view and I'll just impose the 1080p kind of picture-in-picture. This camera also records audio, unlike the dash cams on the Model 3. They don't record any audio, but this one can record audio. So we're gonna let you know give you a chance of what that audio sounds like right now. So usually if you're looking at dash cam footage, you hear things like, what was the sound you made?
What?
Or whoa, or look at that, or did you see that? So that'll give you an idea of the sound quality of the camera. So we're gonna go ahead, head back home and give you some of our final thoughts. And that is the Pelsi P1 Duo dash camera. It is a very inexpensive camera available through Amazon, and I will have the link down in the description. Opinions, I thought that I was really impressed with the clarity and the color from the front-facing camera. It looked really good. The rear-facing camera is about on par with the rear camera on the Tesla. It's a little not as high res. It's 1080p compared to 4K. But your front camera is stellar. The rear camera is good, and it's easy to install and easy to navigate through the app to find the clips that you need. Hope you found this video informative. Please subscribe for more content. Thank you very much for watching.